My name is Shayan and my project is called Asteroid Dodger. My goal was to make a asteroid dodging game. The design is moving a rocket ship side to side and dodging rocks. The first part of the program is to hide the rock from going in the ready set go part, and the forever to the bottom picks a random place for the rock to drop down. I tested it 20 times. One problem I had is the rock will go in the ready set go part. If I had more time, I would do nothing. Demo. Wait, what?
We started?
It's glitching out.
We started, Shayan? Is there any questions for Shayan?
What was the most fun part?
Most fun part? Most fun part was making the program.
Can I play with it?
After
the class. Any other questions?
No.
Alright, let's give him a round of applause.